Hello friends, I'm Manpreet. In this video we will learn how to make beaded necklace at home. So let's get started.
Make a circle with radius 5 cm. Mark 8 points as shown. Make a small circle in the center. Take 75 cm long thread. Apply some glue on one end in order to make it hard and pointed. Tie a knot on the other end and insert the beads. Here I have inserted beads up to 18 cm. Once the beads are inserted, tie a knot on the other end also. Here I am having 7 threads, 3 with pink beads, 4 with blue beads. Tie them all together. Take the cardboard and mark the numbers from 1 to 8. Pass the knot through the hole in the center of the cardboard. Place pink and blue beads thread alternately. Like if I have positioned pink on number 1, I will place the next pink on number 3 and the third one on number 5. Here one space is empty. Pick up the third thread, push the bead up and then towards the center and place it on the empty space. Now rotate the cardboard towards left and again pick up the third thread, push the bead and place it on the empty space. Again, rotate the cardboard towards left, pick up the third thread, push the bead and place it over the empty space. Follow this pattern in order to get a beautiful beaded necklace. It's easy to make in hanging position. Here you can see a beautiful pattern coming out. You can use a different color thread and beads in order to create it. In order to close it, take out the opposite threads and tie the double knot. Push the beads in order to cover the empty space and tie the knot. Cut the extra thread and add a hook. So, here's a pattern made of thread and beads.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.